Terang ba kejala bakmi katnat PWD ba prestun song ulapan sengau bag Sorkar kadan jingtmu ban Kyntiew kadan ni ke Surok Agia-Medhipara-Phulbari-Tura Ampt syaka National Highway lada ke Sorkar India ke ai jing menjur. Kejing keren ubat dan song kelawan haba jubab ya kejing sengau kya palapan pau da Dr. Mizanur Rahman Kazi nong mi khmat ke All India Trinamool Congress na Raja Bala halor kejing jat rathai jongkani ke Surok. Ulapan sengau ru ba ke kam kalayat syat-syat ha kabayadai bat ke Surok Ampt bat lajandep ru ia kejing jerong ke balai puat kilometer. Nalor kani ke projek ke berangyat hapok ke North East Special Infrastructure Development Scheme NESIDS kibatmu ban penpasuk syuk ia kejing lonjeman ke Surok kan kentup ia kejing jerong ke bahan riupo hadu nyupo kilometer sisian bala pendep yakah.
Sir, I think as per my reply, I probably mentioned that 0 to 32 kilometers, the work is on, it's about to be completed, 32 kilometers. And then again, I already mentioned about the projects under the scheme NESIDS that also about 32 kilometers. The work is still on, and I'm very sure about 60 plus up to 70 kilometers. Very soon, once the project is completed, the route will be okay. Therefore, from the government side, sir, we will take it up with the Ministry of Road Transport. We wanted, in fact, even to convert it into, if possible, if the Government of India agrees, into the National Highway. That portion, which is very, very important, the lifeline of that western part of Garo Hills. It's so important. So we will take it up, sir, with the Ministry of Road Transport.